All right, I'm only going to say for the record that I've been led to believe previously that it was on track for negotiations. 21A and CR 19-1 Appearances, please.
Good morning, Honor. Jeff Hoppe for the state. I'm lying on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Schneider, who are present in court.
Mr. Lyon, are you representing both of the defendants in this case?
I will be, Your Honor. I will be working on putting together a notice of appearance on behalf of Mr. Schneider.
Okay, I appreciate it if there be a notation of any type of waiver of a conflict of interest for the record in this matter.
Will do, Your Honor.
All right, very good. It's time set for a continued status conference. In this case, I'll start with you, Mr. Hoppe. What's the state's status of this case?
Your Honor, I think we will be requesting a trial date sometime this year, 2023 in the summer. Mr. Lyon and I spoke about that. I think we're both on the same page with that at this point.
2023?
Summer, well, the court's availability, but summertime would be the soonest availability.
The court's available, but the case has been pending for quite a while.
I understand that, Your Honor.
Mr. Lyon?
Yeah, we do need to set this matter for trial. The hope was sometime after the new year, depending on everyone's schedule. There was some concern as to whether Mr. Hoppe would continue with this case. It does appear like he will be, so we're trying to coordinate dates and get this matter set.
All right, I'm only going to say for the record that I've been led to believe previously that it was on track for negotiations. Let me just make my record. That's what gave me the generous thoughts of moving it forward, though, Mr. Lyon, was that representation. Now I'm hearing it, you're going to set it for trial, and you want a date in the summer of 2023. If you could just make your record in that regard, it'd be helpful for the court.
Yes, Your Honor. We have engaged in extensive negotiations. The case did start out with a different district attorney, and so we dealt with that. Then it changed over to Mr. Hoppe with Mr. Houston's death. That has also created some delays, but there has been a continuation and attempts to negotiate, and in fact, those attempts are ongoing. But at this point in time, we feel that it is best to at least get a matter set for trial, so we have that out there in case negotiations are not fruitful.
All right. This is what I want to do. I want to set another status for December for the following reason. My first order is going to be that I'm granting your request to set it for trial. And the current administrative orders in the Second Judicial District relate to the fact, because of the pandemic caused by COVID-19, we're still in a trial flight setting. So my order would be currently that you'll need to, and I'm ordering you by 5 o'clock today to contact the jury commissioner and of course get on the trial flight schedule. I am honoring your request that it be set generally in the summer of 2023. But we're going to have another status in December because I have a very good feeling that Chief Judge Simons will issue another administrative order allowing all the departments to take back their cases in a non-trial flight way. So I may be interested in resetting it consistent with my calendar as opposed to a general trial flight calendar. So we'll take a look at that in December. And you also, Mr. Lyon, can advise me any updates related to negotiations. We can use that as a stopgap date to get an update status for both of you. And Mr. Hoppe, not holding you to it, but you're going to maintain the prosecution of this case at this time?
Your Honor, I'm here on today, and I'll continue carrying on it.
Very good. Thank you so much. All right, that's going to be my order. So I'm granting your request, but setting a status in early December. We'll all come back and you'll let me know what's going on, and I'll let you know what's happening with the court with respect to me taking back my individual calendar and not being at the mercy of trial flights. Ms. Clerk?
Your Honor, December 21st.
Well, we can set it a little bit earlier than that. Beginning of December, please.
December 7th.
Thank you very much. Is that convenient for you, Mr. Lyon?
It is, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Hoppe.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Anything further?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor, thank you
All right.
for
The current bail and release conditions will remain in effect in this case. That's my order. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.